eruption. It's midnight, 14th to 15th of July, and we're just approaching Iceland here. So here I'm getting a little glimpse of the eruption. The eruption plume is moving towards the south, the gas plume, and the smoke from all the burning of the vegetation. And the eruption is not very large in the sense that there's no huge fire fountains or so. They are only tens of meters tall. We can just about see them here behind the smoke screen. And then of course we see the lavas of the 21 eruption, which is the dark material here in the foreground. And if the eruption continues, there's a good chance that the new 2023 lavas will actually join up on the far eastern end, northeastern end of the 21 and 22 lavas. So they may actually make a continuous lava field if the eruption continues. But let's see about that. I'm looking forward to this. I think it's going to happen. And anyway, here we see Kalir Mountain, so the big pointy hill just in the background there as well.